Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nikon Azara and my study number is 2025-32-102. In this video, I will explain how to process group data statistics using Microsoft Excel. The topic includes finding the maximum and minimum value, creating frequency distribution, calculating median, mode, quartile, decile, percentile, variance, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. Okay, first we have to finding the value of max, min, and range. To find the maximum value, we use the formula equal max and then we block all the data. And the result is 199. Next, to find minimum value, we use equal min, block the data, and then the result is 8. To count the total amount of data or n, we use equal counts and then we block all the data and the result is 100 data. After that, we calculate the range using equal max minus min, and the range is 191. Second, finding k and class width. So the formula of k is equal 1 plus 3.3 times log n, and the result is 8,59. Because the number of classes must be a whole number, we round it using equal round k, long. So the number of classes become 8. And then we calculate the class width or using equal range divided k. The result is 21.22, and to make it simple, we round it up using equal round up c, 0, so the class width becomes 22. 3. Creating class interval and frequency. The first lower class boundary starts from the minimum value, which is 8. And the upper class boundary is calculated by equal upper class boundary plus v minus 1. So the first interval becomes 8 to 29. The second lower boundary starts from the previous upper boundary plus 1. We continue this process until all classes are complete. To calculate the frequency, we use equal frequency and we select all the data, and then we click the upper class boundary. And then press Ctrl Shift Enter. After that, we sum all frequency using AutoSum or equal sum FE. So the total frequency is 200. 4. Relative and cumulative frequency. So the formula is equal FE divided N times 100%. This formula shows the percentage of each class. For cumulative frequency less than, we add frequency from top to bottom. For cumulative frequency greater than, we subtract frequency from the total frequency. This calculation helps us analyze data distribution more clearly. 5. Finding VDS, VAS, midpoint, and coding method. The lower class boundary or VDS is calculated by subtracting a half from the lower class limit. The upper class boundary or VAS is calculated by adding a half to the upper class limit. And then the formula of midpoint is equal a half times VKV plus VKA. And then we multiply midpoint by frequency to obtain VME times FE. We also use the coding method with the formula U equal NE minus A divided by C, where NE is the midpoint, A is the assumed mean, and then C the class width. Okay, next we calculating mean. The median can be calculated using two methods. Method 1. The formula is S bar equal sigma NEFE divided sigma FE. And the result of the median is 98.54. The method 2, the formula is S bar equal X0 plus C times U. This method also gives the same result from the method 1. 7. Calculating median and mode. To find the median, we first calculate sigma FE divided 2, and the result is 100. Then we identify the median class and apply the median formula. The median result is 96.34. Next, we calculate the mode. We identify the model class, then calculate day1 and day2. The mode formula is MO equal PD plus day1 divided day1 plus day2 times C. And the result is 91.61. 8. Quartile, decile, and percentile. So the formula for quartile 2 is 2 divided 4 times sigma FE. And then the result is 96.34. And for decile and percentile, because my student number is 102, so I input 2. For decile 2, the formula is 2 divided 10 times sigma FE. And the result is 39.27. For percentile 2, the formula is 2 divided 100 times sigma FE. And the result is 10.64. 9. Variance and standard deviation. Next, we calculate variance using S squared equal sigma NE minus X times FE divided sigma FE. And then standard deviation is calculated using S equal the square root of variance. This value measures how spread out the data is. Okay, last, skewness and kurtosis. Finally, we determine skewness and kurtosis. Skewness measures whether the data distribution leans to the left or right. Kurtosis measures the sharpness of the curve. The kurtosis result is 2.37. Because the value is less than 3, the distribution is classified as flatly curved, which means the data distribution is relatively flat and spread out. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.